All right, so this is me beating my head against a wall. This is a diagram of two triangles. They're equal. Now, if you were to look at the entire shape, it would make a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel sides, the top and the bottom, and these two sides. If I stretch it or move it, oops, don't use point D. If I stretch it or move it, it's always a parallelogram composed of two, that's about right, parallel sides, which makes it a parallelogram. Only if I figure out a way to make it exactly have right angles, then I can say that it's a rectangle. And I can see that maybe it should be about there. Okay, so two equal triangles. These are right triangles because I think these are right angles. Makes a parallelogram. This is still a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, etc., etc. Even if I rotate it, it's still a parallelogram. Now the question is coming up, okay, wonderful. But if this right here is a base, how do I identify how tall the triangle is? I'm just looking at this now, this half parallelogram, or called a triangle, this orange one. How tall is it? What's the height? If this is the base, it's over here. This is the height, point A. So if I can do my best to draw a perpendicular line to the base, that's the height. That's how I look at it. That's the base and height of the triangle. Okay, can I get a yay? Thank you. But listen, the base, I could define this side as the base of the orange triangle. Oh my God, why would you do that? Because I'm trying to irritate you. And if I did that, how tall is a triangle? Well, if this entire line is a base, the height is way over here. But I can't make the perpendicular line go all the way from point A to point B because this is not a right angle. This is an obtuse angle. So I need to pick a random spot on the base and try and go as best as I can perpendicularly to here. And why do I stop here? Because this line represents the height of the triangle all the way across my page. So this will be the height given this base. It's measured at a right angle. It's perpendicular. That's helpful. Okay, thanks, Mr. Berg. Is there another side that could also be labeled the base? I've labeled two bases so far. There are three sides to a triangle. So the answer would be yes, I can. Yay. This side could also be the base of my tringle or triangle. So how tall is this triangle if this is the base from A to B? It's up here. This is the height of the triangle. So I can't go just from point A to point B because that's an obtuse angle. So the height has to go and travel up at a perpendicular angle as high as point C is, which is right about there. So this would be labeled the height. So what have I done? Every time when I got a base, my height is perpendicular to the base. Okay, this will never change. Word.